I'm back after about 3 minutes of drying. I'm going to now put the finishing touches on it with some centers of the flowers. I'm going to find them and I'm going to paint them first of all more than I really need, which is plain water. I'm going over the flowers and then I'm going to find the middle part that I want with a neutral, which I'm going to use burnt sienna. You can use a mixture of any dirty water you want to. Find any little flowers that you want to make there and that kind of stuff. And if you forget some, don't worry about it. After you overpaint it, take your little brush, which I'm going to use, I told you, burnt sienna, and I'm going to put a pretty good sized splotch in the middle of each one of them, and that's going to be the center of the flower. Don't paint them all the way out to where your water is, because you'll get a hard edge there that doesn't go right on with too much of the flowers themselves, okay? But put the smaller for the smaller flowers, some of them already have it like that red one did, and put the middle-sized ones for the middles, and then real small for the small ones, just so you say it's got a center there, okay? Now then, where the darkest part of that is, go in with some kind of mixture of any of the colors you want to. You can use black if you want to. I like to mix what I've been using along with Payne's Gray, and then just hit the dark part of that center like that. Then I'm going to use the same little, I'm going to use a little rigger brush, and I'm going to add some calligraphic marks in that same dark color. You can do any color you want to. White looks really good if you want to. And I'm just going to put the little twigs and little leaves for design purposes in those. Don't overdo it. If it's been fun, you're probably going to ruin it. But just do enough that you can hit some of those negative empty spaces that you've got, and to show that there is something radiate out from the center. And I'm going to hit it again with my little chisel point there to take up where it actually started. Maybe a couple more. When you quit, when you get to having fun, you fix it to run it. And I am going to call it done.